All right, this is a simple technique that I learned from a chef in Portland, that how to really cut an onion, okay? So what I do is I'll cut it in half and I'll keep the bulb intact. We're just gonna cut this part off here and we're gonna peel it. Sometimes it's easier than, anyway, we're gonna peel all the peel off. Get rid of that. I'm going to take my knife, just the tip of my knife, and I'm going to slice it. And we're not going to go to the end. We're going to keep the onion intact. Try and get as close to each other as possible. And the end, and we want to get without going all the way through. Now you're going to make a parallel cut here with your knife. Without going all the way through, you're going to stop about here, and then you're just going to rock your knife back and forth, and you're going to have some perfectly chopped onions. I find this to be the fastest and easiest way of chopping an onion. It comes out perfect every single time. There you go.